Fish have adapted themselves to their surroundings over millions of years of evolution. In this time, they have developed traits to help them better find prey in the environment that they live in. If their natural habitat is murky, unclear water, they can become bottom feeders and feed on whatever they find in the bottom of lakes and rivers, or develop lateral lines to help them sense movement and vibrations in the water, mostly caused by prey. In clearer water, they will develop bigger and better eyes to help them find their prey through sight and catch them that way. Either way, they are both adapted to their surroundings. They have also needed to adapt to the salt content of the water. Most fish will either live in fresh or salt water but cannot live in the other one. But some fish, like the tarpon in this video, have developed the ability to live in both to help it find more prey and sustain itself better.
The American black bear is a medium-sized bear native to North America. They typically live largely in the forest area, but do leave forests in search of food. Black bears are extremely adaptable and show a great variation in habitat type, though they are mainly found in the forest with thick ground vegetation and an abundance of fruit, nuts, and most black bears hibernate depending on local weather conditions and availability of food during the winter months. In the region where there is a consistent food supply and warmer weather throughout the winter, bears may not hibernate at all or do so for a very short time.
Polar bears are marine mammals that live in the circumpolar Arctic, with over half of the population found in Canada. There are 19 known species, all of which are classified as endangered. The bears spend their time walking on ice and swimming in the water to hunt and travel. Their main food sources are seals and walruses. These animals have a high fat content, which the bears need to build up their own thick fat layer to protect them from the Arctic climate. In order to hunt and survive, the bear's habitat requires ice and cold temperatures. In this clip, a polar bear is climbing up a rocky surface. Due to climate change, the ice is melting early and the bear is searching for food. These birds are not high in fat and do not contain enough nutrients to sustain the bear. With no ice, the bear cannot hunt its normal prey and is forced to find other sources of food. Although the bear is adapting to its new environment, he may reach starvation without the adequate amount of fat for his diet.
Gorillas' natural habitats cover tropical or subtropical forests in Africa. They live in groups called troops, and troops are made up of one adult male, multiple females, and their offspring. A gorilla's day is synchronized, divided between rest periods and travel or feeding periods. This is why the two important interactions gorillas have within their environment are nesting and foraging. In this video, you can see two gorillas foraging for food. Even though gorillas' diets differ between and within species, they mostly eat leaves and stems. Gorillas rarely drink water because they consume succulent vegetation that is comprised of almost half water as well as morning dew. Gorillas construct nests for daytime and night use. Nests tend to be simple aggregations of branches and leaves, and gorillas tend to sleep in nests on the ground, and the young nest with their mothers until 3 years of age.